Unit 2 Water. Hello children, in today's class we are going to learn about the change of states in water, water cycle, the importance of water cycle, rainwater harvesting and its uses. Let us see the lesson. Introduction. Water is the most abundant and precious resource on the earth. Students, everyone needs water, isn't it? It is a basic need of all the human beings, animals and plants. Let us see about that. Abundant means existing in a large quantity, and precious means it has the great value and not to be wasted. So, water is the large existing quantity in the world and it should not be wasted unnecessarily. Okay students. So water existing. இந்த உலகத்துல தண்ணி நிறைய இருக்கு. அது மாதிரி அதுக்கு ரொம்ப ப்ரீஷியஸ், விலை மதிக்க முடியாததும் கூட. அதனால அது தேவையில்லாம நம்ம வீணாக்க கூடாது. Water is the most abundant and precious resource on the earth. It is found in oceans, sea, rivers, streams, lakes, ponds, and even under the ground. Here they mention the sources of water where we can get it. Ocean, sea, rivers, streams. Streams means சிறிய நீரோடை. Lakes, ponds and even under the ground also we can found the water. In these places we can found the waters. All living things need water to live and to do many other activities. We have already learnt about this in these previous classes. Already you may learnt about this in 3rd standard also. Let us learn more about water in this lesson. Next, water occurs naturally in 3 forms. What are they? Ice, water and water vapor. In naturally, water existing in how many states? 3 states. What are they? Ice, water and water vapor. These forms are also called states of water. They are naturally occurring in 3 forms. We call them as it is the states of water. What are they? Ice is in the solid form. It is looking like a cube or whatever shape we made it. So, ice is in the solid form. Water is in the liquid form. Next, water vapor is in gaseous form. So, water is the very special one. It alone existing in all the 3 states. It is the best example for the states of matter. These forms are also called states of water. Ice is in solid form, water is in liquid form and water vapor is in gaseous form. These states occur naturally because of temperature changes. It is not man-made or anything. It is naturally occurring because of temperature changes. Water becomes ice in cold region. When it becomes ice? Water become ice in cold region because in cold region the temperature is very low, so the water become as a ice. Remains as water in ocean or river and becomes water vapor due to the heat of the sun. Wherever the temperature is normal, in that area water is in the liquid form, and the same area if the temperature increases, water started to evaporate and it comes in the gaseous form. Again I am reading. Water becomes ice in cold region, remains as water in oceans or rivers and becomes water vapor due to the heat of the sun. Students, See the picture. Here the three states of water is given. What are they? First one, solid. What is the solid form of water? Ice, or it may be a snow. So what is the solid state? Ice or snow. Second one, liquid form. What is the liquid form? Drinking water. Generally as a water. So what is the liquid form of water? Water. Normal water. Next one, gas. Water vapor. When we boil the water, we are getting the water vapor. That is called the gaseous state of water. So, water exists in three states: solid, liquid and gas. For water, ice or snow is the solid state. Liquid form, drinking water. Gas, water vapor. Solid state, that is ice. When it forms, let us see now. Ice is a solid form of water. At temperature below 0 degrees centigrade, water becomes ice. This process is called freezing. What is freezing? At temperature below 0 degree, water becomes ice. This process is called freezing. When we cool the water, when the temperature goes below 0 degree, it becomes ice. Students, தண்ணியை நம்ம 0 டிகிரிக்கும் கீழே கூல் பண்ணும்போது அது ஐஸாக மாறுது. இந்த ப்ராசஸை தான் ஃப்ரீசிங்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஓகே, அகைன் ஐ எம் ரீடிங். Ice is the solid form of water. At temperature below 0 degrees centigrade, water becomes ice. This process is called freezing. Next, liquid state, water. Water in liquid state is available in water bodies such as ocean, river, waterfalls, etc. Water is mentioned in the liquid form. So, liquid form of water is water. Our drinking water alone is in the liquid state. Again I am reading. Water in liquid state is available in water bodies such as ocean, river, waterfalls, etc. Gaseous states, water vapor. Water's gaseous state is called as water vapor. Water becomes water vapor as the temperature increases due to heat. Heating forms a white mist of extremely small water droplets in the air known as water vapor. Students, when we boil the water, if the temperature goes more than 100 degree, water vapor started to get formed. It looks like a white mist. போக மாதிரி இருக்கும். அதுதான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம், water vapor. When we boil the water, something coming out from the water like a waves, that is called the water vapor. When we boil the water, if the temperature goes beyond the 100 degrees centigrade, water becomes water vapor. Water becomes water vapor as the temperature increases due to heat. Heating forms a white mist of extremely small water droplets in the air known as water vapor. Water heating, if the temperature goes 100 degrees centigrade, it becomes water vapor. Students, next let us see the book exercise. See the given picture and write down the states of each object: solid, liquid or gas. Let us see the one by one picture and we can write the answer. First one, here a bucket pitcher filled with water is given. So water is inside the bucket, so it is in the liquid form. Now only we are learnt, isn't it? So first picture, answer liquid. Next one, here the picture of ice cube is given. So it is in the solid state. Next one, a balloon filled with air is given. Air is the gaseous form. So the answer is gas. Next one, a vessel with boiling water and steam pitchers are given. So the answer is gas. Don't ask, ma'am, water is there, so why can't we write liquid? So here the steam pitchers are given specially. So it is answer is gas. The next picture, it is a factory outlet. Some smoke is coming in the air. So it is in the smoke is comes under gas. The answer is gas. Next one, here the picture of toy car is given. It is in the solid form. So answer is solid. Next, here a bottle filled with some liquid. It may be a chemical or our oil, anything else. So it is comes under liquid. Next, a chair picture is given. It comes under solid. Next, a picture of from juice tumbler is given. It is filled with juice. So it comes under liquid. Next one, a picture of t-shirt is given. It comes under solid. That's all. In next year classes, you will learn more about solid, liquid and gases. Students, see the next picture. Fill in the boxes given below with correct answers. Here one picture and some clues are given. Let us see the clues. Liquid, solid, melting, freezing, cooling, heating, gas. And they given one more word, change of states in water. According to that, we should fill the words in the concerned places. So here 3 glasses are given. Let us consider what are the things inside that. In first one, we consider solid form of water is there. In next one, liquid. In the last glass, we consider it is a gas and wet water vapor. First one, in above, when the solid form of water ice cubes, when it started to melt, if we keep it in the room temperature, it started to melt and it becomes the liquid. When we heat the liquid, it becomes the gas. That means it becomes the water vapor. Again, when we cool the water vapor, again we will get the liquid form of water. Again, when the liquid form of water, we can keep it under the 0 degrees centigrade, it freezes and again come back as a solid. So, where we start the game, from that place itself, again it's ending. First, we consider solid, liquid and gas. If we melt the solid form of ice, it gives liquid. Again on heating, it will give the gas. Again, if we cool the gas, it gives the liquid. Again, we take the liquid form of water under the 0 degree centigrade. It freezes. Again, it gives the solid form.